Today, I'm going to be taking a look at this really cool umbrella that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the packaging and get this thing folded out and see why it's so cool. All right, now with the packaging taken off, it comes with this umbrella sleeve so that you can put it over the umbrella, probably help keep, water and everything out of your floorboard or wherever you're taking this by putting this over it. Plus, it also helps keep it together, probably protect it also from UV rays. And it's got this little like bungee here that is like a wrist strap. And it's got this cool little button here to pop it out. Now it's going to need to be unstrapped to fold out. So I'm going to do that now. And there it is unfolded. For such a small umbrella, when it's, folded down, it actually opens up to be a pretty good size umbrella. Could easily cover one person. I wouldn't call this a two-person umbrella, but for one person, this is probably perfect. It does have 3 sections. So when it unfolds, you can push it up. There's 3 metal sections here, so it kind of gives it some height, even though it compacts down really small. And it's got a lot of braces on the inside. As you can see here, there's not like 5 or 6. There's quite a few. And it seems like it's pretty sturdy. Like this could probably handle some wind pretty well. And when you want to put it back down, you just press the button again. Goes down small like that. And then you can actually just push it down against like a table or something. And it's got some force there. I mean, it's got some spring to make this thing pop out. But now you're compressed down. And then you just use the strap to strap it together nice and tight. And then you put your cover over it. And there it is. It folded down real easy. The cover slid real easy on top. And it's a great little umbrella. It's nice and small. My wife's car actually has a holder in the door for something about this long where you can just slide the umbrella in the door. And these are perfect umbrellas for that. Have these in your door of your vehicle and it's raining. You always have an umbrella just right there to grab. I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.